SIENSIE is a service centre specialising in HMIs. Our portfolio includes repair and refurbishment services for HMIs and machine operation graphic panels, with or without touchscreens. All repair services are performed using original and genuine parts, employing cutting-edge technology to ensure the highest quality in industrial automation, electro-electronic equipment. With SIENSIE, you can rest easy. Our quality is guaranteed and certified. In addition to ISO 9001:2015 certification, we hold other certifications. Check them all out on our website.